Hello kids, let us learn how to draw and color these shapes. First, know about the color name. This is purple. This is black, brown, yellow, orange, light green, sky blue, dark green, red, pink, white, blue. Now let us draw shapes and symbols. This is smiley. Smiley is a emoji. This is a smiley. Smiley is a emoji. Smiley emoji. Smiley emoji. This is triangle. Triangle is a 2D shape. It has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. This is symbol. This is cross. This is cross. It looks like addition. It looks like addition, and this is cross. This is a symbol. This is rhombus. It is also called diamond. It is 2D shape and it has 4 sides. This is cube. Cube is a 3-dimensional shape. It has 3 dimensions: length, breadth and height. This is 3D shape. Cube has 6 faces. This is rounded corner rectangle. This is shape. This shape is 2D shape and it is rounded corner rectangle. Shapes and symbols. This is orange color. This is smiley. Smiley is a emoji. Smiley emoji. Smiley emoji. This is red color. And the shape is triangle. Shape is triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. It is 2D shape. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. This is blue color. And this is a symbol. This is cross. It looks like addition. Cross. It is a symbol. This is dark green. This is rhombus. This shape is rhombus. It is 2D shape. It is 2D shape and has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles. This is cube. This is sky blue color. This is cube. This is cube. Cube is 3-dimensional shape. It has 6 faces. Dice and ice cubes looks like cube. Cube. This is light green color. This is rounded corner rectangle. Rectangle whose corners are in round shape. Round. Rounded corner rectangle. The color is light green and the shape is rounded corner rectangle. This is smiley, triangle, cross, diamond, cube, rounded corner rectangle. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.